Hello, today I'm going to show you the active driving display windscreen type of a Mazda CX-5. Let's have a seat and let's go have a ride. Let's take a ride and talk about the active driving display. Yeah, there it is, the windscreen monitoring system. It will get on your windshield a display. Look like here. It's really awesome. Really. On the market, there are two different types of active driving display. The windscreen type, here, you can see the windscreen type, and an auto flip up type. An auto flip up type is an combiner which is going to flip up while you're driving. So, what you are going to see on your heads-up display: blind spot monitoring (BSM). This is an operation conditions and warning system. This helps you that people and other biker, etc. cars are spotted in front of you if they are on the left or right side in the blind spot. Then you can choose or use a distant recognition support system, warnings, DRSS on it. You can traffic sign recognition system on screen, traffic sign and warnings. This is really awesome. The camera system of your Mazda see the traffic signs and then they project them into your heads-up display. Really awesome thing. Mazda radar cruising control with stop and go function is possible to see in front of you. Wow, this is MRCC. Then Mazda radar cruise control itself, MRCC, operations and conditions and warnings. Then lane keep assist, LAS, and lane deputy warning system, LDWS. That means if you are coming over the line, for example, in the center of the street, it will show you vibration and it gives you information on the heads-up display. Smart brake support. This is awesome. If there is an obstacle, there is bremsen, brake. This is good information. Smart brake support. Adjustable speed limiter. How much speed you will program and how much speed now is on the driving side. Really awesome active driving display. This is really awesome. I like it really much. And as you can see, it's really easy to use and easy to see.